Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error when we open edit Elementor page. We see 404 page not found error. Now you see this is our page. So open it again. Again you see page 404 not found. So we are going to fix it in Elementor WordPress. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Now go to dashboard. So first ways to fix this issue. On left side you see setting and then you see permalink. So click on it. So we are in permalink setting. Now select post name and then click on save changes. So after that, if your issue is fixed, then good. Now go to page again and refresh the page. Still show 404 page not found error. So another way is to increase memory limit. On left side you see Elementor and then you see system info. So click on it. So I already increased WP memory limit. Now you see PHP memory limit 786. So after that, check page again, refresh the page. Still show 404 page not found error. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Now go to dashboard again. On left side you see Elementor and then you see settings. So click on it and then you see advanced tab. So click on it and then you see switch editor loader method. Enable this option and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to Elementor page again and refresh the page. And then you see our issue is fixed. Now Elementor page loading. So you can apply any method and your issue will be fixed. Now you see page is loading in Elementor. So in setting advanced, we enable switch editor loader method. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.